Okay, so now children, we take up the word problems from page number 152 and it is continued with my practice time 2. I am explaining you the fifth one. Let me read out the question for you. Rahul has bought 6 liter 475 milliliter of orange juice and 7 liter 750 milliliter of mango juice for the party. Find the quantity of juice he bought. So here I can say that they are asking that total how much of juice has he brought. So it is the operation of addition. So I have added up with separating the units of liter ml, putting up under that sections. After adding, I get the answer as 14 liter 225 milliliter. Let us take another example, that is question number 7. Here, let me read the question. Fabian walks a distance of 2 kilometers 630 meter every day. How much will she walk in the month of September? That means they are telling us that in one day, Fabian walks 2 kilometer and 630 meter every day in one day. That is per day. So they need to know that how much she will walk in the month of September. For that we need to know that September has how many days. So September has 30 days. So I need to multiply because they are asking for many days, and when it comes to many we multiply. So again putting up the units, kilometer, meter, I multiplied by 30 and I get the answer as 78 kilometer and 900 meter. So finally she is going to walk 78 kilometer and 900 meter in the month of September. Now we take up the 8th sum. That is, the question is 8 watermelons weighs 27 kg 800 gram. If all the watermelons are of the same weight, find out the weight of one watermelon in gram. So they need the weight in gram. So they are asking the weight for each, that is one watermelon. So I'm going to divide it. So after division I get the answer as 3 kg 475 gram. But now they are asking that they want the entire answer in gram. So first, for that, this is the already gram, I need to convert this 3 kg into gram. So 1 kg is 1000 gram. So I get this as 3000. 3000 plus 475 will give me 3475 grams. Now let us see question number 10. Let me explain you all this question. Shivam is 7 centimeter taller than Richa. If Shivam's height is 1 meter 35 centimeter, what is Richa's height? Convert Richa's height into millimeter. Now let us see Shivam's height. Shivam's height is 1 meter 35 centimeter and Shivam is 75 centimeter taller than Richa. So I need to first find Richa's height, and I am going to find it how? By subtracting it. So I put up under the units meter, centimeter, 1 meter 35 centimeter, which was Shivam's height, and I need to know Richa's height because Shivam is 7 centimeter taller than Richa. So I'll subtract it by 7. I get the answer as 1 meter 28 centimeter. Now they are asking us to convert Richa's height into millimeters. So let us see what is the conversion. As we see, centi, deci, centi, milli, right? So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 128 centimeter is equal to 128 into 10. That is equals to 128 millimeter. Now how did I get this answer? Actually the answer that I got was 1 meter 28 centimeter. Can I say it as 1.28 meter? So when I multiply it, I had got the answer as 1 meter 28 centimeter, or in short I can write it as 128 centimeter. So this is going to be multiplied by 10 and this answer is going to be 1280 millimeter. So Richa's height is 1280 millimeter.